Okay, today we'll talk about how to change the battery in your car. Here's everything you'll need to do it: a battery and a wrench. In this case I have two and I'll explain why. So to start off here, we'll remove the positive terminal cover. This is the negative, that's the positive. Okay, so just loosen it counterclockwise. In this case it's a 10 millimeter, sometimes they're 13. Doesn't have to be super loose, just loose enough to wiggle around and slide off of there. And we'll repeat over on this side using the other wrench, which is a ratcheting opened end wrench. Now I'm using the ratcheting wrench because it's a little more versatile in case you don't have a whole set of wrenches in your toolkit. Just get one like this that fits 3, 4, 5 different size nuts. And I'll show you here a side-to-side comparison. On the right hand we have a normal, on the left the ratcheting. You can see here this one fits a 9, 10, and 11 size nut. On some batteries there's a support bracket you'll need to loosen as well. On this one we're good to go. Here's a look at one of those support brackets. You'll need to loosen the nuts on both sides. You don't have to take them off completely, just loosen them on the bottom down there. There is a little J. So you can see there it goes in and hooks around. Now all you have to do is loosen that enough to slide that J hook up out of that hole. Okay, here's a look again at the whole configuration. We were kind of in there upside down, but you can see down there that's where it hooks in. Anywho, since we don't have to worry about that, we'll take the sleeve off of the battery and pull the old battery out. Now we drop the new battery in place down where the old one used to be. Now it's super important to make sure that the new battery you got matches the old one, positive and negative. If you mix that up, it can fry your computer if they give you the wrong size battery. And believe me, it does happen. Next, just apply some dielectric grease. I have silicone paste in this instance. However, you can buy just one of those little packets of electric grease whenever you buy your battery at the store. Apply a liberal amount on the terminals and put the insulator back in place. Now when you reconnect the battery, give it a good wiggle to spread that grease around. Now you don't have to retighten it super tight or you can bend your connector. Just get it tight enough to where that doesn't wiggle around. Obviously do the same on the other side. Now your new battery's installed and, as my dad says, ready to go. Hop in, turn the key. And there you have it, folks, a complete guide on how to change your battery. Hope you enjoyed. Consider subscribing and liking. Thanks.